Hello, my name is Vikram, and this is a series of training videos that I'm recording for educators using Pictory in the context of e-learning. So here's what I think and I see is going on in e-learning. And as educators, you probably all see this as well. One of the things we see is that creator economy is on a tier, and creator economy is mostly educators. It's people trying to teach somebody something new and creating videos around those lessons. So that's one. The second trend that we already see is short videos are central, and these are like 10-minute lessons, 15-minute lessons. That's the ideal lesson length rather than the really long videos that or long lectures that that we're used to teaching in the past. The third thing that's happening is that AI is on the rise in terms of content creation. Witness things like GPT-3 and the like. And then the fourth is that design is being democratized, and things like Canva and so on. There's lots of tools now being available for anyone to be able to do design type things, pictures or videos that used to be the domain of designers and experts. So Pictory is something that that we've built that uses AI to help democratize videos, and we have a lot of use cases for educators. So here's the challenges again that I see, that learners want short videos, but educators are used to delivering 50 to 90-minute long lectures. The second challenge is that creating or editing videos beyond basic Zoom recordings is a challenge. Do-it-yourself video editing tools using Adobe Premiere and stuff, they often take much longer than even preparing or delivering the lecture. Doing any video editing is a pain in the educator's world. You could outsource it, but that could be expensive, and the time, the number of iterations it takes, and the cost of it may be prohibitive. So these are some of the challenges that I see in the market today. So that's one of the reasons we built Pictory, is to help anyone create or edit videos in minutes. And there's three use cases that I'm going to talk about. One is you can start from text and create a video from there. So it could be short written paragraphs that you can create videos from. You can create videos from a recorded video lecture. So you could still record a 50 to 90-minute video lecture, but maybe break it up into smaller segments. And you could use Pictory to break that up into smaller segments. And then the third use case is sometimes you don't have either. You may have a recorded audio file, which is often very good as well. So you don't want to share your talking head, your face, but you're happy to share your voice, and you can create a video from that as well. So those are the key use cases, and I'll talk about kind of these in more detail that we'll cover in the rest of the training session. The first use case will be, we'll create these faceless videos, as I call them, where you don't have a talking head recording, just using a text script to begin with. So that text script can be, the video output can be 20 minutes long. So a few thousand words in the text script that you can create a faceless video from. That's the first use case, the first session that I'll share. The second session that I will share is where we create faceless videos, but a recorded voiceover. So in this case, in the first, we may or may not use a voiceover. In the second, we have a voiceover of your own voice that you will use to play the video. The third use case that I'm gonna show is how you can take a recorded lecture and just simply get it ready for publishing. Get transcripts, get things ready for publishing, because even that basic thing is a challenge for most educators right now. You can publish a raw Zoom recording. That's totally fine. But I'll show you some basic editing that you could do to make it quite a bit better. And then the fourth use case that I'll show you that you can use Pictory for is you take recorded lectures and create small segments from them. So again, the point being, learners are used to learning in shorter increments with videos of shorter lengths. And how can you create this from a lecture that you already recorded that is a longer video? So those are the 4 use cases that I'll share in the next series of 4 videos. And so see you in the next one.